All right, what's up, guys? So today I'm going to teach you guys how to use Submagic. Now, for those of you that don't know what Submagic is or you have no idea what it is, now if you guys have ever heard of Alex Hormozy before, you'll be familiar with the guy that uses short videos and has all those captions on his screen and stuff. So this is one of the tools that can help your video do that. So for the first thing, once you get on the dashboard, it looks just like this. It says my projects and then it has an orange button that says create. So you're just gonna click on create. Now you can upload your video. I wish they had an option where you could just upload a YouTube video directly on the platform and you could work from there, but as of right now they don't have that. What you can do is you can drag and drop, or you can upload a video that is maximum of 90 seconds long, which is 1 minute 30 seconds long. So I'm just gonna use a sample video that I have. Okay, I'm just gonna click on this and then I'm just gonna upload my video. My video is 1 minute 30 seconds, which is, 90 seconds long. Now the video size limit is 200 megabytes, which is okay. You can change the name you want to. You can also choose the language that the video is in. Mine is in English, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then you're just gonna click on the orange button that says upload. And it uploads very fast, by the way. Then it's gonna generate captions for the video. Okay, so it's done with generating captions for the video. And now what you can do, you can choose this the theme that you want. So right now the theme is on Luke. I want it to be on Hermosi one. So this is how it is, with the bent, with the slighted what's it called? The slighted captions right here. I'm just gonna mute this video and I'm just gonna play it. My version has Python, JavaScript, C++. It's pretty nice with the way the captions are bent and stuff. That's pretty good. Now you can head over to captions. Right now in style, head over to captions and you can auto cut any silent part of the video. Right now it's on beta mode, so let's just click on auto cut. It's gonna detect if there are any silent parts in the video and then try to cut it out. Okay, I'm just gonna click on auto cut. So as you guys can see, it reduced the video from 1 minute 30 seconds to 1 minute 21 seconds. So it took away 9 seconds of it. So apparently there was 9 seconds of silent part in the video, and you can look through the captions to ensure that you can take out any part that you want to. So let's say things like you click, you can always remove this right here. Any part that you want to remove, you remove it. And now anytime you remove that part, it also takes out the part too from the video, just so you guys know. Now they also have a B-rolls option. For those of you that don't know what B-rolls are, they are the stock footages that you watch and you see in some YouTube videos when whoever is talking is trying to make a point. So you can also add in B-rolls and they'll automatically add in magic B-rolls for you. And then you can click on publish. You can always add your own music. So you can find the music that's trending on TikTok and upload it on here, or you can add your own music. Now, something that they also give is that they give you a description and hashtag generated by AI, so you can copy it and then post it into whatever social media channel you're on. You can regenerate it, get a short version or longer version, and then once you're done, you can just click on export, and that's what I'm just gonna click on, and it's gonna export it with watermark because I'm using the free version. And they'll email you when the video is ready. So let's just wait for that. All right, so let's watch the video together. All right, let's see what it gives us.
My version has Python, JavaScript, Go, Java, and C++. And so if you want to add more and more lines and you don't know where to continue from, you open up a new line and then just click on tab and it's going to give you suggestions. Now you can either.
All right, so it looks pretty good. It's okay, but from what my suggestion to the team, whoever created Submagic, would be this: if they want to get more and more people to be comfortable using Submagic, they can't just sell it as create videos like Alex Hormozi. There needs to be an option where a person can upload a YouTube video, and that YouTube video can then be turned into YouTube Shorts or Reels or TikTok videos. that would be my suggestion to them. Now, if you're a person who might want to use this tool, I'm going to show you the pricing plan so you can choose whether or not you want to get it. A lot of you typically go with a monthly plan, so let's just look at it. So you can pay $20 a month. You can use up to 20 videos a month, no watermark, and 1 minute 30 seconds max. You can have the one that has the pro version, 3 minutes max. I don't see why the length can be more. As I said before, if I'm talking to the team, this is what I'll tell them. And it's $50 a month. And they have an agency plan, $150 a month, 5 minutes max. And they have an enterprise level in which you can, obviously reach out to them and talk directly with your team to see what works best for you. Now, if you guys want the top AI tools, I have a link to it in my description below.